Hello there. Today I will show you yet another way to control devices with Arduino. In this application I used a DTMF module which can recognize the key presses of dial-up phones, and for simulation purposes I am using here an online tone generator, but any phone can be used to key press, and also you can use two telephones, one calling another, which is connected to the DTMF module, and you can control your devices remotely, or you can embed this to your website and you can control the appliances and devices through the web. Now I am using here only 10 devices for simulation purposes, and it is represented by the LEDs there, and you can connect any device through relays to those outputs, and I'm using a Mega here because it has more digital pins. Now I will show you how the circuit and program is working. When you make a key press, the DTMF module recognizes the key pressed, and the Arduino lights up the first LED because I clicked 1. If I click 5, then the fifth digital output will be high, 9 respectively, something like that. And by this way we can control 10 devices. If you click again, that output will be low and the LED will go off. And we have two more keys here. This key, the multiplication on the star on the keypad, if you click that, it lights all at once, and we can see here key pressed all on. And the other one respectively shuts them off. It works like this: 8 output pressed, and the second press closes it. And you can find help on the internet about the DTF modules and Arduino. I wrote a small sketch here to demonstrate myself, and I will put it on my website. You can find it on my web soon. Thank you for watching.